Welcome everyone. To use portrait mode lighting, if you've already taken a picture, this must be done in the portrait mode. And if you haven't, go to portrait and then you can swipe across to change the lighting like this. And then just take the picture and it will save as it is. And if you select the photo, then you tap on the edit button. And you can see here, we can change the portrait mode lighting at any time, like this. And then we can change the intensity of that lighting. So you check the face, you can see more light, less light, as you can see right here. And if we tap on the aperture, we can change the aperture as well. You can see it just changes the amount of blur you get on the foreground / background. And once we're happy, let's tap on done. If you send this photo to someone else, they won't be able to edit it, but only you on your end will get these editing options. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.